Welcome to the Warrior Creative Session. Today we have an incredible guest, the master mind-blowing magician, Bao. And he's gonna for sure blow my mind because I know his talent and the quality of his art. I have no idea what he's gonna do. So you will see, but I'm ready. I don't know if you guys are ready. Bao, are you ready?
I am so ready.
All right.
Jakub, thanks so much for having me. Okay, I actually have something just for you.
Ooh.
Okay, so we have some cards. You can pick any card. Okay, you can go ahead, pick any card, and I'll have you sign your name across it.
It's okay if you see it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
So any card that speaks to you, one that you like, and you're gonna sign your name in big letters right there. Okay. So what this card is gonna represent for this trick is actually your goals, our goals, right? So essentially, what's gonna happen is that here, your name written here. And one thing is, in life, when you want to reach your goals, the most obvious route is just to go find it one by one, right? It might take some time.
You try things, you fail. You try
Exactly.
things, you fail.
And as long as you just keep going, eventually you'll find it. There it is.
Yes, I found it.
Found it!
Yes!
Okay. Now, thing is, in real life, it's never that obvious, right? There's a lot of challenges. There's failures. You get involved, and it's a mess. Actually, we're gonna create that mess right here, an even bigger mess. So cards face up, face down. So really, it's gonna be really hard to find your card. Cards are face up, cards are face down, even some cards back to back. But the thing is, as you surround yourself with your community, the people that you can look up to, your mentors, they can actually help you find a clearer path towards that goal. So there's one card that is face down. Go ahead, turn that card over.
I kind of know what it is, but at the same time, I want to see it to see if it's really true. If you're not a liar.
Now see it for yourself.
Oh my God, man. How?
That's magic.
Wow.
Surrounding yourself with the right people, right?
The importance of your circle, of the people you look up to, of the people you think about, of the people you talk to. This is the proof, the magic proof.
Now, let's go further with this, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna place this in here. And thing is, as you grow and as you get experience, you eventually learn to build systems for yourself, right? So, Jakub, can I ask you to put your finger right on top?
Right here?
Yeah, right here. And at the count of 3, I want you to lift your finger up and watch what happens, okay? 1, 2, 3. See how it moves? Okay, take your finger right here. And when you build those systems, it's gonna feel as if the goals just come to you. Jakub, turn that card over.
I'm scared. I kind of know what's the card, but this is crazy. Oh my God. I kind of want to ask the obvious question that everyone asks every time. How? But I know you're not going to tell me because I know it's powers from a different planet and...
It's exactly that. Or a lot of practice and surrounding yourself with the right people.
Ooh, you heard that? Message.
So, Jakub, actually, I want to teach you something that you can actually do.
I like that.
Okay? It's, you know how mentalists, they have spoons, they can bend it with the power of their minds?
Yeah.
Right? I felt like that image had a lot to do with what you're teaching. So I also know that this is new to you, so we're gonna do a version where it's gonna be beginner friendly. So we're gonna guide you through
I don't have yet the power to bend real spoons.
But we're gonna give you the tools, okay?
Okay,
So
okay.
what I have, we're gonna take this here. It's a piece of paper.
Okay.
It's a piece of paper with a spoon drawn on it. It's like an easier version.
Okay.
But I want you to channel the power of your mind in your hands right here and put your hand out like that. Put your hand out like that. And I'm gonna place this on your hand and I want you to focus on the spoon bending, really with all the power of your mind. I want you to imagine that spoon bending. And as you keep focusing keep focusing and you're gonna see it. You see how it bends right here? Yeah. And Yakub, that is the power of your mind.
I can bend spoons.
And there you go.
I'm like Neo in the Matrix. This is incredible.
That is the spoon that you just bent with the power of your mind.
Wow. Bro, thank you so much. You're incredible. This is mind-blowing.
It's been a pleasure to be here.
I love it. Thank you so much for coming. We'll see you maybe. You'll be back. You know, I think I love that kind of stuff, whether I'm watching, you know, on YouTube or whether I'm living it. Obviously, this is even more amazing. So thank you, Bao. But and thank you for making, you know, the whole story about also the growth and the little adaptation. It's 100%. Really cool.
That story came to me because I lived it myself, right? Like I had to quit my job as a creative director in a marketing agency, and I wanted to pursue my passion. And in order to do that, I also had to surround myself with the right people to teach me how to make a living from that and also become a better entertainer, a better magician. And I'm very grateful that I'm in the position where I'm at today.
I'm happy you did that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bao.